Yeah, hi, in this video we're going to show you how you can earn free cryptocurrencies just by learning about new cryptocurrencies. So it's as simple as that. We're going to be using a site called Coinbase and this is really ideal for beginners who are going to go and get a free account, and then I'm going to show you, like I say, how you can go and earn free cryptocurrency on Coinbase. So let's jump over to the desktop and we'll run through exactly what Coinbase is, how you can get the free cryptocurrency. Okay, so first of all, why would you need a Coinbase account? Okay, now on my channel, if you are a regular viewer of my channel, you will see I've done some videos recently, one of the free cash site, one of the coin supply site where you can go and earn free Bitcoin. And with these sites, the way they pay out to a site called Coinbase. You would need to go and obviously get a free account with Coinbase in order to go and get paid by these sites. And lots of other sites use Coinbase as well, so it's not just these two. And also, if you actually join Coinbase as a free member, you get the opportunity to go and actually earn free Bitcoin to get your portfolio up and running. So I'm going to show you exactly how quick it is to obviously get started and where you can go and earn this free crypto money. So straight away, to get this account, obviously you've got to go onto coinbase.com and click on the Get Started tab here. All you've got to do then is fill in your first name, last name, email address, and choose a password. You've got to certify that you're over 18 years old. Remember, we are dealing with currency here, and we're dealing with trading, that sort of thing. So you do have to be 18 years or older. Then obviously just go and create your account, okay? And that will be very simple to do. And then obviously you can fill in the rest of your profile once you've got your account up and running. So again, very simple to go and create your account. No credit card required at all. Very, very simple. Let's dive over and show you what a new account looks like. Okay, so this is the home tab, and as you can see, I've come in here and this gives you various different things here. You can obviously invite other people, friends and that, and you can actually receive money and free Bitcoin when they actually purchase and trade on Coinbase. Now, if you're not looking to actually purchase or trade at the moment, you just want it purely and simply to obviously add funds from other sites, then you can obviously do that for free. That's not a problem. As you can see, this gives you various a watch list of what's going on at the moment. Obviously, Bitcoin's on a bit of a dive at the moment. So once you've set up your account, as you can see here, my portfolio is the first tab here. And as you can see, I've got a balance of £0. Obviously, me being in England, we use pounds, so it would rectify to whatever country you're in. There's various other bits and pieces here. You can add cash into your wallet, that sort of thing. You can actually hold the Bitcoin, hold any crypto, and you can earn up to 5% per annum on the yield of your portfolio here. So it's a pretty good return if you've got some Bitcoin or something. Don't just have it sitting there, put it into Coinbase and you can actually earn 5%. So this is where you can go and trade and obviously get involved in the trading of the Bitcoin, and you can buy and sell and convert. So if you're into that, then obviously this is an ideal platform for you. You can obviously get paid as well, so you can send and receive Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies here. And you've obviously got a For You tab here as well. And these are things that are going to be relevant to you might want to actually go and watch some of the tips and tutorials and that sort of thing. Now, like I said at the beginning of this, you can actually earn money with Coinbase just by watching videos all about other cryptocurrencies. Okay, so on the Earn and Learn tab here, as you can see, there are different videos that you can actually go and watch if you scroll down. So let's click this one here. It's just a minute long. So it will literally load up, and then you obviously got to go through the video and then take the quiz. So I'm just going to pause this and go through the video quickly. So there we go. So you just answer the question, and then obviously I've earned $1 straight away. That's so I can then go on to the next lesson here. Okay, so as you can see, I've gone through the 3 videos on Clover, and so if we go back over to my portfolio, then we click on refresh. And there you go. We've actually earned £2.19. That's $3 in a very short space of time, about 3 minutes of those videos, and just answering 3 short questions about those videos. So now I could go and complete the rest of these videos, and then obviously I could then use that cryptocurrency for various different things in here. But remember, obviously Coinbase is great for other things as well, such as trading. But also, if you want to go on sites such as Free Cash, Coin Supply, that sort of thing, to actually start collecting cryptocurrency, then you will need your Coinbase account. So this is a great way to start. So I'm going to just go through the rest of these videos now, and then I'll come back. Just done another few, and as you can see, I'm up to £5 something now by just taking a few more videos and quizzes. But I came across, and I just want to show you and explain to you how you have to do this. You need to go and verify your account and add a photograph, and then you will obviously be on a waiting list for these quizzes and how to earn the money. So as you can see, if I go down to the earn and learn, and with the fetch.ai, if I click on this one here, I'm actually not yet approved to actually go and do this one yet, and as you can see, so just bear that in mind as well. So go and do that straight away, verify your photo, etc. straight away, so you can get on the waiting list. Okay, so I've come back into my Coinbase account after completing all the videos I could, and as you can see, I've got a balance now of £21.61. So if we quickly go over to convert that into dollars, which would actually equate to $29.62. Okay, so about $30 at the moment, just for taking a little bit of time, learning about some cryptocurrency, and obviously just watching the videos and answering one simple question each video. So that's all you really need to know about Coinbase. Like I say, if you are doing some of these other sites, apps, etc., that obviously want to be paying in cryptocurrency, then you're probably going to need a Coinbase account. I'll leave a link in the description below here, so you can go and get a free account if you haven't already got one. And obviously then, once you go, check out my other videos at the end of this as well, which are all about ways to easily earn more cryptocurrency for free. And before you know it, you'll have a balance growing in Coinbase every single week. Okay, I trust you found that interesting and useful. Obviously, let me know in the comments below, have you already got a Coinbase account? If not, obviously, what have you got instead? There are other sites out there as well. So what do you use to hold and trade your cryptocurrency? Let us know in the description below. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel right now, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Don't forget to check out these videos if you want to actually earn some crypto to go into your Coinbase account. And we'll see you on the next video.